The power of the root.
The power of the root.
Never stop search, I them a fi firm and bright. Look to the future, the goal, the right in the light. The will fi win, a fire way can never quell. Believe in your power, so your life a go tell. A the anchor in the air. Sometimes the road foggy, the compass look like done. We search for the right step, fi know where we have to run. When doubt comes strike your heart and your courage get weary, you hear the wise voice call from mama and papa weary. Them are the bedrock, the pillar we stand tall. The strength in the darkness we make you rise up from the fall. Remember them love, them sacrifice and deep good heart. And in that memory, fi find the right way start. Never stop search, I them a fi firm and bright. Look to the future, the goal, the right in the light. The will fi win, a fire way can never quell. Believe in your power, so your life a go tell. The rule fi hold firm. You walk on road where you don't know where the ending, there the journey long. Sometimes the finish line far away, but the rule of the highest Allah were written down. Give up is not other, so meta know in the town. When the bad thought fi quit, start fi come up in your head. You have to banish it quick, left the fear them there. Caught the last stretch where the victory. The sun shine bright. When the mission complete, the story set for the light. Discipline ruling your inner power is large. Through holding firm you take over every charge. Never stop search, you them a fi firm and bright. Look to the future, the goal, the right in the light. The will fi win, a fire work can never quell. Believe in your power, so your life a go tell. I invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. Focus on yourself, that the core, and testing on your potential. Like the best investment, that the road to one or two good name we sure. You effort to go make your name stand up and endure. Aim for the highest where your ambition a fi carry. You will know fi true that to you where you want fi marry. Vision clear and set the action sharp and precise. We build up your future through hard work and sacrifice. You are go achieve your goals for the commitment you show. You know your own ability, the profession and seed grow. I be under the bloodline. Under the bloodline. Be proud and count your blessings. The family where you got, where your kin folks around you. Them love never stop. That a rare fortune, a gift when no everyone get. A treasure for God, while your life still set. And while the source alive, mama and papa they near. Hold them in a high honor, fi chase where every fear. Cause them love are the real anchor when the storm a blow hard. Give them max attention, them value no fi discard.